This dance is called Ain't Love a Lot Like That. It's a 32 count, 2 ball, beginner level line dance with a 1 tag and 1 restart. Starting on our right foot, stomp the right forward. Remember, you're going through the heel of the foot, don't go down flat-footed. Scuff the left forward. So the scuff being that gentle contact with the ground with the heel of the foot. Stomp forward on the left, scuff the right forward. Step the right forward just slightly in front of the left foot, not too far apart. You're going to twist your heels to the right, back to centre, hitch the right. That set of steps once more then. Stomp, scuff, off on the right. 7, 8. Stomp, scuff, stomp, scuff, step, twist, twist, hitch. Stomp the right to the right side. Now you need to give yourself a little bit of room between your feet at this point. So you stomp that right down to the side. You're now going to travel your left foot towards the right by twisting the heel to the right, twist the toes to the right. Hitch the left, and as you do so, make half a turn to the right. Stomp the left to the side. Again, make sure you've got a little bit of space between your feet. You're going to walk the right in. 3 steps this time. Heel goes to the left, toe goes to the left, heel goes to the left as you square your feet up. So if you haven't got any slip on your shoes or on the floor, don't try this dance because you'll do your ankles and your feet injury. So you need to be able to twist relatively freely. Not too much because you don't want to slip, but you need to be able to twist without there being that much friction under your feet. So that set of steps once more then. We'll go through it slowly. Stomp the right to the side, twist the left foot, heel, toe. Hitch the left, making that half a turn right. Stomp down on that left. Walk that right in, heel, toe, heel. Let's add that to the top. Step, scuff, stomp, scuff, off on the right. 7, 8. Stomp, scuff, stomp, scuff, step, twist, twist, hitch. Stomp, heel, toe, hitch, stomp, heel, toe, heel. Slightly easier section now. We're going into a K step. So we're going to make that V of the K on the floor. So you're going to step the right foot forward, diagonally to the right, and touch the left beside the right. Step the left diagonally back to the left, in other words to where it came from. Touch the right beside the left. The right now goes diagonally back. Touch the left beside the right, left diagonally forward to where it started, touch the right beside the left. So that is your K step. You're drawing this K, the V of the K on the floor. So that set of steps once more then, off on the right, all steps on diagonals. 7, 8, step, touch, back, touch, step, touch. Let's add that to the top. Stomp, scuff, off on the right. 7, 8. Stomp, scuff, step, twist, twist, hitch. Stomp, heel, toe, hitch, stomp, heel, toe, heel. Step, touch, back, touch, step, touch. Step the right to the side. Touch the left beside the right. Step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. Stomp the right to the side. Again, make sure you've got some space between your feet because you're now going to walk both feet this time in together. So twist both heels in, both toes in, and both heels back in so that they are level to each other. Nice, easy set of steps. Might take a little bit of practice, this dance, to get your feet to twist in the right places. So that set of steps once more then. Side touches off on the right. 7, 8. Side touch, stomp, heels, toes, heels. So walk the feet in together. End of the dance when you get to that point, you'll be glad to hear. So let's put it all together. Stomp, scuff off on the right. 7, 8. Stomp, scuff, step, twist, twist, hitch. Stomp, heel, toe, hitch, stomp, heel, toe, heel. Step, touch, back, touch, step, touch, side, touch, stomp, heel, toe, heel. There's all those twists in there. So that is your dance. Now it is a 2-wall dance. Normally I do the back wall and then say let's put the front wall on so we can join the walls together. However, the music is a little bit faster. So we're going to try the front wall again, speed it up just a little bit, and then add on the back wall so you can see how the walls join together. Stomp, scuff off on the right. 7, 8. Stomp, scuff, step, twist, twist, hitch, stomp, heel, toe, hitch, stomp, heel, toe, heel, step, touch, back, touch, step, touch, side, touch, stomp, heel, toe, heel, stomp, scuff, step, twist, twist, hitch, stomp, heel, toe, hitch, stomp, heel, toe, heel, step, touch, back, touch, step, touch, side, touch, stomp, heel, toe, heel. Hopefully you managed to keep up with that. Now there is one little tag and restart in this dance. It comes on wall 3, so quite early on. Wall 3 being your 12 o'clock wall. After 16 counts, so it's halfway through the dance. So you will in fact be facing 6 o'clock when you come to do this tag, but I'll show you the tag to start with facing 12. You will have just finished doing your heel, toe, heel section. So your feet will effectively be together. You are going to twist both heels to the right, both heels to the left, both heels to the right, both heels to the left, both heels to the right, and then back to centre. So it's 6 twists. So let's just try that once more. Twisting right, left, right, centre. 7, 8, right, left, right, centre. So that is your tag, halfway through the dance after 16 counts. So let's give it a go. Wall 3, let's take you up to 16 counts, add on the tag and restart the dance because we restart after we've done the tag. Stomp, scuff, off on the right. 7, 8, stomp, scuff, step, twist, twist, hitch, stomp, heel, toe, hitch, stomp, heel, toe, heel tag, twist, 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 centre, start again, stomp, scuff, step, twist, twist, hitch. So 6 twists. So that's your tag, wall 3. after 16 counts and restart. So that is your dance, that's your walkthrough, it's your tag and restart information. Let's give it a go to the music. Stop, 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 step, twist, twist, hitch, stop, heel, toe, hitch, stop, heel, toe, heel, step, touch, back, touch, come, touch, step, touch, side, touch, stop, heel, toe, heel, stop, step, twist, twist, hitch, stop, heel, toe, hitch, stop, heel, toe, heel, step, touch, back, touch, come, touch, step, touch, side, touch, stop, heel, toe, heel, stop, scuffs, stop, heel, toe. Twist, 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 stop, stop. Stop, heel, toe. Step, touch. Side, touch. Stop, step. Stop, heel, toe. Heel, step. Side, touch. Step, stops. Stop, heel, toe. Step, touch, back touch, side touch.
Now the honey moves over and the work begins. My baby says I'm getting on her nerves again. One false move and an angry shout. I'm sleeping all alone on the fold-out couch. Ain't love a lot like that. Ain't love a lot like that. Unconditional, unpredictable. Ain't love a lot like that.
Hope you managed that one.